Hey friends, what's up y'all? So actually in this video, step by step, I will try to explain you how you can build your personal website on Wix platform just in 15-20 minutes. Everything will be very easy and simple, I assure you. The only thing that you need to do is just to watch this video till the end, and I really do hope that it will be very interesting for you. So I'm waiting for your likes, I'm waiting for your comments, I'm waiting for your feedback, and let's continue. So as I said, first of all, we need to understand what is Wix. And actually Wix is that platform on which you can actually easily build a website with the help of this actually service. First of all, you need to do what? You need to sign an account, which is for free. And the next step, actually, you have what? What kind of website do you want to create? You need to understand for what do you need this website. Maybe you are an influencer or a blogger and you need to create a blog for yourself, or you work in beauty industry and beauty and wellness will be for you, or if you just like, for example, a professor of foreign languages and you have your personal courses. Yep, here is your portfolio. So you have the other categories such as fitness, restaurants and food, designer, even if you are an entrepreneur for business, yeah, online stores, photography, music, and others. So I guess that today we will start from portfolio and CV. And the next question on Wix, what we will actually get is two ways actually how we should build actually the website, because we have two ways of creation. So the first is the help of the ADI and the second one is the editor. So for my personal opinion, what I can say, ADI helps you to save your time, and if you especially if you don't have actually enough time and you prefer to work and you need somebody to create this site for you, actually ADI, which is artificial intelligence, makes it for you. It makes a favor for you, of course. The only thing right here is just you need to answer simple questions and that's all. But the only thing that you actually won't be able to do right here with the help of the ADI is that case that you can control each detail of the process of the composition. Yep. But when you actually will work with the editor, which is very easy in use and which is user friendly, here you can control each element, each section, so the whole composition will depend on your taste, how you see and how you like it. So basically today we'll work with the template and let's continue. So guys, here where it starts to get so exciting, and actually this is my lovely part of each video episode because I adore watching the templates. I want to prove you and show y'all that the images are high quality and they have actually the templates have good content. Yep. So basically right here, yep, actually we have many categories such as business and service, store, creative ones, community and blog, and you see that each category has its own subcategories. Yep. Actually Wix has hundreds of modern looking templates to choose from. Yep. So you shouldn't have any troubles to finding one to start with. Remember that the editor will let you make changes as you need, as you see, for example, in your head, as you imagine it. Yep. So you don't worry too much if you can find one that exactly will suit you, because you can actually make a composition that will suit you no matter what template will be, because you can add sections, delete sections, change images, elements, whatever you want. Yeah, so don't be nervous about that. And we have actually a perfect CV, for example this one. Yeah, so clicking directly to the bottom view, we have a short video episode which shows us how it looks like, but for me it's not enough and I would like to watch a full demo of the desktop. And I adore Wix because we have two adapted versions. So I mean, we have the version for the desktop and for mobile devices, and that is really cool and nice. Yeah. So basically, this is just like ordinary CV, but not in PDF. Actually, this is your personal website, so you even may practice and start your personal journey on Wix with actually CV. That is how it looks like on mobile device. So on what I can say, that is perfect. And I guess that in mobile phones nowadays actually should be the adaptive design, because you hold your phone actually 24 hours per 7. Yep, I know it. Because nowadays actually mobile phones are important. So this is a part of our social life, and not only social. Yep. So let's observe other, I would say, other templates. Yeah. So the next one, we have even actor and model resume. So that is just like it looks like. Yeah, we have a short video. So it's very interesting, and if you would like to create, I would say, this type of template, that would be maybe perfect for you. But what can we do the next? Let's just page number 4, turn to this page. Yep, and we have actually political candidate. Yep, so that is how it looks like. Yep, we have short, I can say, and strict template. Yeah, let's watch a full demo how it looks like. And basically, yeah, we have actually nice in strict way, in strict colors. We have this template. We have just part of life of this person, yeah, which is like a blog. Yeah. So basically that is how it looks like. And let's for example start from this I would say template. And by the way, that is how it looks like for our mobile phones. Yeah, okay. So it looks nice, to be honest. That's why I adore Wix, because here we have cool, up-to-date actually designs for templates. So actually we will start with I will work with the editor with this template. So I'm clicking directly to the bottom of edit this site. We will actually add it to this template. So guys, the page you are looking at is your website homepage actually, and that is pretty cool. So you will be making all your content changes, that is change your text sections in this part of screen. Yep, and if you want to add more pages to your site, you will do that in right here on the left menu. Is responsible for helping to add some extra things you will need on your actual site, such as menus, yep, some media, some forms, some blogs, apps, and so on. And pretty much everything you actually will see right here. That all you need is to do directly on the website is just to make a double click. Yep, and you will start your actually work with the template. You will change and edit some actually elements. So actually we have 2 buttons, get texted yes or edit the text, and everything looks very simple. That's why I told you I adore Wix for its I would say versatility. Yep, and I can say that the editor is very intuitive. So the only thing that you need is just to know how to work actually with left media tools. Yep. And actually clicking directly to each element, you will get some settings. So actually working with the context, working with the text, you can change the headings. For example, heading number 6 to heading number 5. That is how it looks like. If, for example, the font size is large for you, yeah, you can make it smaller, yeah, in this case. So, but remember, you should, for me, you should I would say know the rules of the composition in design, in web design. It will help you to make your page, more confident, more strict, and actually if you will actually I would say, I mean that if you will follow the rules of the composition and the design, you will do everything beautifully and correctly. Remember this. And if you are interested in the design, so it actually the rules of the composition, like the extra information which you can search in the internet or in my previous videos about the landing page or the web pages, yeah, that will be like extra information for you, and you will do everything correctly. Okay, so actually working with the text is not so difficult. Font size, actually, fonts, themes, color of the text, you can actually do it directly right here. So I changed the second heading to I would say the orange color, and that is how it looks like. The next one, what I would like to show you, clicking directly to the bottom, not to the bottom, to the section of the menu. Yep, we have actually the pages. We can delete these pages or add the extra one. Yep, like here, ORM. We can change, I would say, the name of the pages, and for example, let it be in this way. Let it be me. Yep, and done. So actually we have me directly right here. Or for example, if we don't like the design of the horizontal I would say menu, yeah, we can change design, and we have options, and from the list of this option we can actually add that design that we see is appropriate, yeah, for this actually landing page. So let's save this one, I would say. Now, one more thing I would love to tell you, like just the extra information is about Wix pricing. So of course you may use Wix for free. You can create a free website, but you will in this actually in your site will be Wix ads. So and of course it's not included in this free plan your own domain name. You can connect your domain, and I guess that it will cost you just like $5, yeah, and you can connect actually your domain with your website. Your site will actually still be showing Wix ad, and actually this plan is not available in all the countries, so you need to check this information via the main page of Wix. Yeah, you have plan combo, which is ideal for smaller professional websites, no ads. Yeah, they're included, and it's unlimited. It has plenty of storage, and it costs $14. The next one, which is a plan actually which is cost $18, is about business and e-commerce, and it has up to 10 gigabytes is included. And the best plan for you, which is VIP Unlimited, available, that is actually you have many cool actually apps right there, yeah, for premium. So but for me, to be honest, this plan is good for entrepreneurs, of course. And let's talk, I'll continue our conversation, yep, our review on Wix editor. For example, we have a text. You know how to edit text, clicking directly to the image. Actually, we have change, I mean, the media. We can, for example, delete this column, yep, and we can just see, not so easy, yeah. Okay, we have this comment, and I would love to stretch it, yep. So okay, let's do it, for example, in this way. Well, we will check. Okay, and I would say that let's do this in this way. So for example, I would love to actually replace all the content directly into this way right here, because for example, I would love to add the image of the person, for example, and let it be free in free Wix images, or you may use your personal images, if your personal portfolio, from your laptop. You have this opportunity just to upload the media, or for example, we may use, let's do this picture. It's just like for the example, okay, add to the page, and okay, but the only thing we need to make it smaller, of course. So basically, this is drag and drop editor. This is very intuitive and simple and friendly in use, so you don't need to worry about. So basically, that is how it looks like. Clicking directly to this image, you can do what? You can do, for example, this thing. Okay, perfect. Cool. So I'm basically talking about this. You see how I work with this template, and that's why I try to explain you and show you all that you can actually do everything, and you can choose template that you like, but you can remake it in your way, how you see it, how you feel it, how you imagine it. And for example, we can add some cool things, for example some decorative, just to fill the empty space. And it may be some errors, basic shapes, themes, animals in nature, icons, logos. Let's, for example, do okay, more logos, and let's search. Okay, just for instance, just for the example, we may use this one. Okay, add to the page, and basically we can make it directly right here and to make it a little bit smaller. So basically that's why I adore Wix, because you can remake all the templates if you need to do this. You may actually fill the template with your personal photographs, portfolio of your product, services, or your photos if you would like to create your personal CV. So actually Wix has many advantages, and these advantages I try to prove you and show you all in this video episode, such as cool editor, cool actually and perfect template, which can be actually, which will suit you for each category. If you are an entrepreneur in the business category, you will find if you like. If you are, for example, you have your personal restaurant, or if you for example have a yoga studio, even you can find everything for you directly right here on Wix. So guys, thank you for your attention. I'm waiting for your comments, I'm waiting for your feedback, and I guess that we will see each other in another video episode. Bye.